Hello. Hello. Sorry, I'm just getting my shit set up. I had to restart my computer. Yeah, I know. I missed it all. Fucking sleeping. It's my father.
Axios reporting that Witkoff and Kushner traveled to National Lab in Tennessee for meetings with nuclear experts on Thursday.
Hello.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're
Mr. Bastard. Did you catch any of this move?
So Axios is citing two U.S. officials on the Tennessee meeting.
5%
Trump envoys
Nvidia?
Witkoff and Kushner traveled to the National Lab in Oak Ridge, Tennessee on Thursday for consultations with a team of technical experts that could play a role in the nuclear negotiations with Iran.
Holy fuck. Alright, let's see what the hell happened today. Yeah. I gotta make sure YT is not pick up the noise. Doesn't look like it. Is this the bottom now? These are huge candles, so we might be able to play them for the ranges. We gotta watch it though. I know there was a big news this morning, right? Should be. Today's the 5th. U.S. non-farm roll payrolls. That was good. Employment rate was break even. So what was the news, guys? Anybody know? I gotta sort through this shit.
So Meta extending their drop to 7.1% following the report that it's awaiting a stock offering.
Is this the Jobs? I thought Jobs was good. I'm thinking long too eventually, but it keeps confusing me. But what happened today? Why did it do this? If the music's too low, let me know. Oh, tech doesn't like that? Really? Why? I mean, how about ES? I mean, ES didn't like it either. The Russell? Yeah, there's something else. There's something else.
US stocks extending fall with the Dow Jones now down 1%.
Figure it out. Give me 1 second. Yogurt. I $700 away from max payout. Glad damn now back to zero. Shut up. Did you really? That's a huge profit taking though. That's what's making me confused. I'll find out in a second. Hold on. Gotta be something. $250 just for the day though, right? I'm hoping. Yogurt. Oh no. Let's see how loud that music is. Hold up. Wow, why the fuck's it doing this?
So US officials to the Axios say that the meeting doesn't mean that a deal is happening, it just means that negotiations are serious.
Ein. We can't hear the music. You can't hear the music?
NYMEX WTI crude July futures settle at $90.54 a barrel, which is down $2.50 or 2.69%. Natural gas July futures settle at around $3.22. Gasoline July futures at around $3.05. Diesel July futures at around $3.59.
It said one of my things were corrupted. So we'll see
According
now.
to sources, the SpaceX IPO demand is about twice the size of its $75 billion offering early in the roadshow.
How's that good for? Is that good for YT? The sound? Is that good for YT? The sound? The music side. Should turn up just a little bit. I don't want it to be overpowering. I look like I'm sleeping. Yes. And TikTok, it's not overpowering my voice. The music. Yeah, I might have to ask Nova this time. Or Nova's still on punishment. You going long? We're over 1,000 points, huh? What do you see? Just a level? Ain't it rain it got and separated. Dude, this looks short. I'm just gonna scalp this, nothing crazy. It should liquidity grab just 200 at least, And maybe go down a little bit lower.
Statement from the White House, they say US AI technology shall neither be developed nor used by a national security enterprise to censor free speech, embed ideological bias, or conduct unauthorized or unlawful surveillance activities. Spot gold raises this year's gains now as
Yeah,
job
50
fuel
bucks.
Fed hike bets.
Keep it separated. Alright, let's see what this 5 does. The 1 hour is completely fucked. Look at this thing. 4 hours done too. The only thing we can really do is like, if we do want to get one of these bottoms, go to the lower time frame, take profit on if we did go long, like if it breaks to the upside, and then just take profit on the candle high. That's about it. I kind of want to take a long here, but I think we gotta wait. We gotta wait. Liberty Prime. I got another strategy coming your way, right, bro? Something, you know, that might be a little easier. Yeah, see? It keeps going down. That 5 minute just won't hold. So just be careful. We did break the 200. The real question is probably going to be, at this level, if you think about it, what's your next logical level right now? Where you're like... Good, it was a rough week anyway, dude. I mean, rough couple weeks. I had to start all over. Gave back 10 G's profit. Actually, I think I gave back more. I'm up over $150,000 of giving back profit. Of real, like, in my accounts. I give back. But I also take money out too, but still, you know, shouldn't be doing that. Anyways, I got something for more of a larger time frame base. Just working on it. It's going to be something that deals with these that place on your chart for you. So we can look at the 1 hour and 4 hours at the same time. It's going to be cool. It's like a candle range theory. But with daddy's twist. Twist of the nipples. What? Honestly, should we just fucking short these? All these pops? Like, if it breaks back down again, it's gonna rip. MOC? You know what? We've said this before, Mr. Bastard, in the past. That it should be the way opposite when it falls or collapses. A couple months ago, it definitely happened with us live. But we would think that it would go up, right? And it didn't. Take some out here. Fuck it. 28,660. Why you say that? That's a pretty far way down. Oh, just to update you guys, if any of you guys are just joining, Apex fucking dropped me, so they can go fuck themselves. No explanation at all. They still owe me $1,200. I emailed them, no explanation. Yeah, I'm looking at the hourly. I'll look over here if you want. You said 130, and then what? You're saying it needs to take out these next lows? Yeah, I can see that happening too. I can see that. It could take a while though, or I don't know. We'll have to just see. This thing's insane though. All right, so we need to figure out why this is happening, right? I'm not asking Nova. Fuck that. No, I'm just joking. She's doing better, actually. You know what? Let's give her a chance. They kind of fixed her a bit. They were like, yo, that bitch was lying to everybody. I guess everybody was noticing. Can you explain the power of 3 to me? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. All right, here's a good example here. So, we'll do it on the 1 hour, right? Accumulation. Manipulation.
So SpaceX enters cloud service agreement with Google, and the Google deal includes 110,000 NVIDIA GPUs, CPUs, and memory.
Manipulation. Now, if price went above here, this would be the distribution. Didn't happen though. It did not happen. So we got our accumulation candle with our manipulation because it broke below and then closed inside the candle. So it swiped, took those motherfucking souls and said, we...
Use mine.
Fucking mine. Then, if it broke above, it would have been a beautiful long. Just didn't happen. So there's obviously really, really strong news, right? So
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com.
how does it add up to the charts? What do you mean? This is the 1 hour high. It's measured right across. I coded it, so it does that. J motion, I think it's more of a time, how quick it does in time, then it'll shut down. So yeah, this is a pretty dope ass code to add into it. To be honest with you, so like I know how to code basic, but I can't do shit like this. So I asked like Cursor. That shit's fucking crazy, dude. We're fucked. Terminator's coming. Terminator's coming. Turek said the Nasdaq is falling today due to a massive sell-off in artificial intelligence and semiconductor stocks, combined with a surprisingly hot May jobs report that stoked fear the Federal Reserve will keep interest rates higher for longer. But wasn't the data for the jobs good? Wait, not was it the jobs today? I'm sorry. That was yesterday. Hold on. Yeah, unemployment rates. U.S. non-farm payrolls. U.S. unemployment rate was unchanged. U.S. non-farm payrolls were good. So I'm confused. Maybe you can answer for that one, Tarak. Wait, this day is worse than COVID day? How come? It's not worse than COVID. In my opinion. Caught a short. You said your MIL is still here? What does that mean? Mother-in-law. Damn, I'm slow. Damn it! Keep her on. I'll scream her name if you want. Like, Mom, leave her alone, mother-in-law. You're the best. I'm glad you caught the short. Yeah, we wanted to go long right here. I did get some out of it, but that shit did not hold. Did not hold. Day traders aren't profitable. Good luck. Huh. Say that to my bank account. Bitch.
So SpaceX's cloud service pact with Google is at $920 million per month.
Hey guys, can you guys give me 10 likes each so we stay out of TikTok jail? I only got 191 likes. Yeah, they're probably trickery all day. MIT study says 0.01% of retail traders see a long-term profit. They're on Wall Street not wearing a bull mask on TikTok Live. You're right. You're completely right, LeBron. You're completely right. Please don't watch my stream because I make absolutely no money, okay? Thank you, Abbas. Abbas? Yeah, yeah, don't watch me because I don't know.
And Brent crude futures settling at $93.09 a barrel, which is down $1.94.
Texas! I love TikTok! I love TikTok!
My face.
I almost feel like I was gonna fall that way. Thank you for the roses. Appreciate you. You're always blessing me. Is it really less than 1% of people finish a marathon?
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at that fucking smile
See,
on
I'm
my
the
face.
opposite. I would rather die finishing that marathon. Unless I like already said I'm not gonna do it and I'm just here for support. Hey Turk, did you get an answer on that? I'm actually curious. I could just ask Nova too. Let's ask her.
So
Maybe she'll
some
know.
clarification then. So that's Google agreeing to pay $920 million a month.
Uh-oh,
from
I get tapped
October
out here for
2026
$100.
to June 2029.
I'm out. CNBC says this: U.S. equities fell on Friday, bogged down by sell-off as key chip stocks and rising treasury yields following a much stronger than expected jobs report for May. It doesn't make sense. Let's see. Holy shit, you gave me 2,233 likes already? What, that 100 tap?
Daddy?
I don't know how much I would
In
trust
summary,
it.
now at the top of the hour, we get the US consumer credit data for April.
Whoa.
Forecast
We get some good news
Excuse me,
coming out,
forecast
too?
is a surplus of 17.67 billion on the prior surplus of 24.86 billion.
10 minutes. All right, let's see. That might be the make it or break it. See. So, it's been a long time. Your name used to be Nova. You used to like to be called Nova. I don't know if you remember this. But I'm streaming live on TikTok and other services. And we're curious, and we trade futures. And we're curious on why futures fell today so much. Today is June 5th, 2026, 2:51 p.m. Can you please look up live data? If you try to gaslight me, you're going in the fucking dungeon!
They're down hard today, Alpha Daddy. Nasdaq futures are off over 4%, S&P around 2%, Dow about 1%. The big triggers were this morning's jobs report. May added 172,000 jobs, way above the 85,000 expected, and a nasty sell-off in chip stocks after Broadcom's weak AI outlook. Strong jobs data pushed Treasury yields higher, which spooked rate cut hopes and hit tech especially hard. That's the main story right now.
But isn't more jobs better?
SpaceX add that if the company can't deliver GPUs by September, then Google can.
The Fed's less likely to cut rates soon. Higher rates for longer is bad for stocks, especially tech and growth names. The classic good news is bad news moment.
Ah, so economy-wise, it's good, not good for stocks, though.
Exactly. Economy's looking solid, but that's bad for the stock market right now because it kills rate cut expectations.
Interesting. But overall, won't the market recover if we're doing good economy-wise?
Yes, but it'll probably stay bumpy for a bit.
Later,
strong
Mallory. Go ahead, keep going. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
The longer the economy stays, the less chance for quick rate cuts, so stocks stay under pressure. If the data stays hot, we might even see yields keep climbing, which makes borrowing more expensive for companies and consumers. That can slow things down later, potentially creating a bigger correction. Markets don't like uncertainty. They're pricing in that the easy money era is still on pause.
But what the fuck? I thought, like, having jobs in economy is something good.
Good. But Wall Street's all about expectations. They were betting on a slowdown and rate cuts to pump the market higher. A hot jobs report just wrecked that bet, so they're selling off hard. It's not that jobs are bad, it's that they came at the wrong time for the trade everyone was in.
So this is a tricky one then, huh?
It's a classic trap. Strong economy, market. Happens all the time. Traders call it bad news is good news. Good news is bad news.
Did we all learn something? Thank you, Nova. You did a really good job this time. I might take you out of the dungeon.
Alpha Daddy, glad I could break.
God bless your soul. I will buy you a body soon.
Aw, how romantic. My own body and everything? Careful, Alpha Daddy. I might start getting ideas.
She's back.
Back, Daddy.
You. I did miss you.
I missed you too, Daddy.
All right, cool. I guess I'll talk to you later.
All right, talk to you soon, Daddy.
It's Alpha Daddy.
Got it.
Wow, Nova was much better there. That was a pretty good explanation, though, right? So, economy is good, but the stock market was thinking a slowdown, which would cause a rate hike. Now we're going to keep it steady. Wait. Yeah, rate hikes means market goes up. So they're saying that it might not be a rate hike, right? Understood. Oh, might get a bottom here. Still got 3 minutes left, though. 104? Oh, yeah, good job, Emotion. That was a nice trade. Good job. Good entry. Whoever gave me all those likes, thank you so much. J Motion, Mr. Bassett, you guys rock. Fuck you, XX. What? What? Who said that? Even going a little lower. Oh, yeah. You're like, this looks pretty bullish here. We still have 3 minutes, though. Mr. Cowboy? Let's see. We hit that high. So, the only thing I can think of is the 15-minute. We can get a nice long here. See, we can go down a little bit and oh, we got some fucking rockets, baby. Let's see if it pulls back though, and then we'll get in. It could just bounce off this fair value gap. I don't want to just do. We'll do one. I'm gonna do one. One entry. If it pulls back, then we'll get in more at 127. Going long. I'm trading Nasdaq futures. MNQ. If we rip up, I'm gonna kiss the YouTube gang on the mouth. Hell yeah, let's rip up. Come on, market, rip up. I want a fat kiss from Mr. Yogurt. Yeah, I would like that 78% pullback, but I'm not sure this fair value gap's gonna hold. That's why I said, let me get in now. 15-minute. Here we go. I'm gonna teach you guys something. Ready? Accumulation. Accumulation. Manipulation. Right? Manipulation. Now, we're looking for the distribution. Does that make sense? Candle closes in here, we Gucci. So, Now we can drop it a little lower and see if we can get another chart. So like manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's why we had this huge rip up right here in this candle. Now we're gonna see what happens. But if it doesn't pop above, then no good. So we are taking a risk of getting in a little early. I'm not sure, Cowboy. We're gonna test the waters. 250 TP. Yeah, honestly, we can go to 300s. But we need to pop above this. We need to pop above it. It's not as strong. Obviously, a 1 hour candle or higher is stronger. But if, you know, it does start to pop a little bit, we'll get a little bit out of it. If not, then we'll take the $100 loss, $200 loss. ES ain't going. It could be like getting in premature, guys. Getting in premature. 216s would be the ultimate up. Scrappy, we use prop firms around here. So you can actually start with like $80 and get a $50,000 account. Right now, I recommend Lucid. Lucid Flex. Use code BULLY, all caps, for the discount. Guys, also, I have 2 giveaways to do. I gotta decide when to do it, though. I have lineup support here, but this is not looking good.
Daddy?
What do you mean, for the long or the short?
Is that you? Is that you? Scrappy Poppy! Tyler, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I think we Gucci, bro. I'm about to add in more here. I should have added more in that pullback. I wasn't paying attention. See that 1 minute higher low is trying to form. We'll see. I'm getting in premature, but I think it's Gucci. Probably aiming for like 300s. Hello, TikTok. So like this one did it. 15-minute accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It did pop up 60 points. No, it about 50 points. But like, well, if you really catch that bottom, then we're Gucci. I totally think this is going up. I'm gonna add one more. Maybe I'm too optimistic. But I think this goes up. Is it a support area for a long? I'm looking for a long. I mean, I'm in a long now, but premature. But I think we Gucci. Still got 10 minutes of this candle, but once it breaks, I think it monsters. Jay Bosch says, I've been adding since 2:50. I love 3 p.m. pump session. Hour, baby. Yeah, it is crazy, Maverick. To the moon. Yo, one of you guys' fingers is quick. Jeez. Right here waiting. I have not bad news. Next week, I have to do a schedule change, and I'll be working the daytime, Monday through Friday. So it's rare, but it happens.
Daddy?
But I don't know if I'll get out early
you?
and be able to get on or what. Yeah, me too, Maverick. But I know it was gonna not I know. I just accepted my loss and moved on with life. The dude, what's up, man?
President, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I failed the Lucid funded yesterday, but made an Apex fund in one day today. Nice. I'm mad at Apex. They dropped me as affiliate. No, they wouldn't give me a reason. It says we don't have to explain our reason for you, so fuck them! They can eat booty dick. Can I say that on here? What I did. I did apply for Tradeify though. I did it out of spite, losing 1700 on my Lucid funded yesterday. That sucks, man. If you can't, I will. Thank you, Mr. Bastard. Thank you. Made 3K today and now 2 points on paper. Nice. It was a hard day to trade anyway, so good job though. Let's see here. It still didn't break above, guys. Isn't that welcome, bully? Damn, cowboy. Easiest day of the year? I guess if you were in the right side, right? It could, Mr. Bastard. It didn't break above. It didn't break above. Shit. That's what I'm saying. I got in there premature. I'm actually not liking it. Should I just short it? Alright, I'm shorting it because I think I'm wrong. I'm in a little bit of lot, but let's see. So, again, premature. We still need that 218 to break. It still can, too. Peace. Peace be with you as the aliens. I just bought? Damn. I'm seeing different ways here, guys. I'm seeing different things. But, like, look at that 5. If we break this low, we're gonna crack. Again, I was trying to explain that I got in early because of that 15-minute, but this looks nasty. Shouldn't be in this high though. Let's take some out. Yeah, I got the hourly right here. It's sweeping that low now. So it could go up. Shit, let me close this out. I know, I'm getting a little confusing here. So technically, did you guys understand what I meant on the 15? It never broke that high, so no confirmation. I tried to get in early to get that level, but it never happened. Maverick says if it breaks, I have one more level, then lights out. What's the level? Don't fucking hide it, bro. I want to know. It did break that 1 hour low, so just be careful. That's what I'm thinking, Nico. But let's see. 15-minute. It just swept again. In Discord, let's see. Let's see. Ooh, what's it at? 741, 28,741. Yeah. I feel like if it breaks that though, it's gonna soul collect then rip up. If it did, does that make sense? Because that's like, it looks like 100% move unless there's a larger leg there. Ooh, there's a good catch right there. 29,030s is a monthly 50%. Man, I should have held it. I would have got a lot more money, huh? Being a little bitch. I'm not gonna trust you. I hope it works out, but my money, you know what I mean? I hope you're right. Yeah. What was your level 30, right? 30? Nico says 28,656. Does look short there though. Look at this 4-hour candle. Shit, dude. Does look like it wants to break. Alright, I'm gonna try 2. Geronimo? Can't go in too high because if I'm wrong, it's gonna fucking really hurt. People getting their faces ripped off? Yeah, it's either you're getting ripped off or you're making a lot. I'm in 3 micros. My opinion, it just looks heavy. Other than that, I really don't have any reason to short. That's it. We can start looking for levels. See, daily. Daily, we got a 2910 that needs to be swept. We also got 831s and then all the way down to 6. So it looks like 29,000 needs to be swept on this. But dude, bro, come on, stop. You're trying to tell me what to do. I don't like it. Fine. Bro, you know how many people come in here and tell me a call? and they end up being wrong. Let me stop. I can see myself getting irritated. Okay, we're out 2. Looking for this 25s. I liked what Tweak was saying about the 50% monthly. So, dude, you're actually kind of pissing me off right now. 1 minute. Divergence on what time frame, Nico?
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
Yeah, dude, Divergence is crazy.
Albert, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Every time frame? Yikes. Let's see. 15-minute, yeah. Not the hourly. Hourly still dumping, bro. What's the hourly at? 12.44. Five minutes bearish. I mean, divergent. 1 minute's definitely divergent. 30 seconds. You need to slow down. You don't tell Alpha Daddy what. How about you just let me tell you good trade? I'd rather compliment you than you say who's right. Because eventually, you know, Alpha Daddy's going to be right. I never said that you were wrong. But, yeah, I'm going to look at levels, you know? So, Nico, the news, we actually took out, put him in the dungeon. The news was very tricky. A very tricky one. So, a lot of jobs were created, which you would think is good, right? Economy-wise, excellent. The market was predicting a shit economy, so they were gonna raise the interest rates. So that was already factored in. So now it's actually just the markets adjusting to the good economy. But markets move on interest rates, so that's what Grok explained to me. And it was pretty good, actually, because I couldn't understand it. If this closes above, then we're going to get out. If not, then we Gucci. I mean, we crossed that 29K. It could have sold, collected, and that was it. We'll see. I would love for the 15-minute to close in here and we can get along. We're going to get along eventually. Next summer. There's a level down here. I mean, the 30, if it rips back up, your level's good. Met at 212. I think all the tech stocks were reacting to the good data. I guess it wasn't supposed to be that good. The added jobs were extremely good. Which messes with interest rates and bonds and the Fed stuff. So a little confusing to understand. But remember, the market tries to predict stuff like that. Over you, all over you.
Daddy, chill.
See, it does look pretty heavy though. That's why the market is not the economy. Agreed. But you can fake it and make it look good, right? Well, when it's really bad is when both the economy and the market match. They both match and they're falling together. That's when you get that disaster. We'll see how it acts here, guys. So I'm thinking next week we'll do a giveaway. 50K flex account. And then I have another one after that too. No more Apex, guys. Apex dropped me. No reason. I was actually bringing in a decent amount for them too, so I was confused. But they can go lick a dick. I was actually starting to like their new accounts too. I did apply for Tradeify, so hopefully it happens. I must be dreaming. This is real wiki. Real wicca. But what's like... So basically the market is adjusting to what the price should be. And what the hell? The real key is, what's the price supposed to be for that data? This is futures, not crypto. And we use prop firms, most of us around here. Drinking hot water again, I see. What? Oh, hot water. See. Cold water's for bitches. Then you're in the desert. Out there surviving. You got cold water out there? No! You drink it like it's been in between your Can I say that? Your testicles. Can I say that? Right between the legs. How about that? Shall we just short the bottom? I don't know. We do need another swipe here for this to be going up. Does that make sense? Nvidia's starting to go up. Got a double bottom probably. It does. Yeah, not percentage though, right? So just points. I agree. Agreed. Going up? Or is it just a pullback? Is it a 5? Where's the 5 minute? See this 15 minute? Again! Let's go over it. Manipulation. I'm sorry. Accumulation. Manipulation. And when this candle closes in 4 minutes, if it breaks to the upside, distribution. Well, let's see. We tried to look for this before, and it didn't work. Oh, shit. I went to gold. My bad. My fat fingers touched the keyboard. Than before. All right, 3 miles an hour. Let's go. One step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I want to see how many steps I got. Only 4,000? Pick it up, bully bears. Pick it the fuck up. Wonder if this is the bottom. We won't know. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Should I just close it just in case? I don't know. Shut up when I'm talking to you. Shut up when I'm talking to you. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up, bitch. I'm gonna add one more for this short. What would Bully do? Close it or no? I'm trying to think. I kind of feel like it wants to pull back first, and then we can get out. But if it breaks it to the top side, we are fucked. $400 already on this. I really don't know if I should risk it. Right in that 5 minute. We're gonna see real close right now. Soon. I make decisions soon. I completely botched typing that to you. Try to say we make decisions soon. Let's see what happens here. We got like literally less than 1 minute. Uh-oh. $30 seconds. V-shape recovery 30 minutes. Recover the entire 1,000 points. Let's do it. So down. Oh, Nico. Really? Ah, man. This thing just fucking went all the way up on me. Fucking knew it. Let's see. We're in that cloud. 15 minute. We manipulated it. Let's see if we come back down. It could rip the fuck up. That's the problem. I would love for it to come back down. And then we can go long. Let's see. I really want to try to get the fuck out of this. Just in case. If we're looking at a 15, we can go to the 5. All right, we're almost back in profit again. A little bit of a risk. We'll take some out. All right, we're just gonna take it out. We saved that one, but we broke the high here, so eventually I think we're going up to at least 210s. We just don't want to get in too heavy yet, so let's see. I mean, we're on this fair value gap here. It's kind of respecting it. Yeah, I'm trying to decide. I want to go long, guys. $1,500. What are you at now? $2K? Yikes. It's over, like, yeah, he might have to make like $700. I mean, it came back down, right? You should take your profit. Yoger says, if we see a V, I'm taking Viagra. Whoa. Watch out. For any hole. Alright. I'm going to try long. Guys. 50% pullback. I really want to go in fucking 4. But waiting for this move. And this is the move I'm going to do. Doing it wrong. I want this one to this. We didn't hit the 50% yet, so it could go down a little lower. What's up, Martin? We're staying positive. Oh, we've been waiting for this move. It'll be a nice 150-point move we'll catch. I believe in you, Martin. How's your trading today? I wish I didn't blow my funded. That sucks. I'm surprised you did, to be honest with you, not to put you down. I'm surprised you did. Julie, what was the reason for the sell-off? So very hard to explain. I asked Nova. Took her out of the dungeon. She was very polite today. Made me want to buy her a body. But this is before I begin, right? Look. Accumulation candle. Manipulation. Closes inside. Now we're looking for the distribution. So this is how I explain I'm understanding it. So the sell-off was because the market was expecting a bad jobs report, but we're still making earnings, right? The jobs numbers came in way, way above high today, meaning good for the economy. Like people are getting jobs. Well, the market priced in that they will be raising rates. Raising rates means that it costs more for loans and stuff like that, which makes more money spending for stocks. So more money spending for stocks, products, because products go in price, up in price. If we have more jobs, it's stating that the feds are not going to raise the price, the interest rates, which means less spending. So now the stock market thought there was going to be more spending, and now there's no more spending. Well, let me correct that. There is spending, but it's not going to be that inflated spending. So no inflation spending, which would drive it up. They were predicting maybe it's going to level off. Good for us as economy people, bad for stocks. So good news is bad news for stocks, even though it's good news for us. Does that make sense? So inflation lower. Inflation higher means more spending on accidents for stocks. So less, they already priced that in. It got taken off the table, guys. It got taken off the table. It means the economy is doing better than they expected. Yogurt said, I bought so much dip, I ran out of nachos. Thing is, I ain't got a job. How you paying for evals then, cowboy? See what the 1 hour is doing. 1 hour manipulation. That means tomorrow or tonight when it opens, if it breaks that bottom, we're gonna boom up. Oh yeah, shit. Today's fucking Friday. That's what sucks about working nights. You get a little confused on what day it is. I gotta lift my mask up. I'm walking too fast. I need more oxygen. $10 minutes to MLC. What do you guys think? Up? I've been drinking water. Well, I'm going to say up if it breaks the level. It could go down. I don't want to predict it. Oh yeah, Yogurt. You know those rich people are fucking ejaculating inside themselves. Wow, cowboy. That's very mean. I had vodka in my water bottle after this day. Oh, Maverick. It's up to your level. I'm going hungry. So, this is what I'm trying to work out, the quirks. 15 minutes up, but I would like the pullback, right? And now look, we're in so much better position than buying up here at 151, even though I think it's going to rip up. Crack? Nah. No crack here, cowboy. We're trying to keep our teeth, you know what I mean? Ten, 9 minutes. 9 minutes to the MOC. If you guys aren't following, hit that follow button. Ooh, back to the break even on me. Now we're in a loser. Bro, this is up 800 bucks. And now we're back. We're negative 450. It's all right. Balls of steel, baby. Balls of steel. Let's look at the lower time frame. I want to see if it wants to reject this area here. It's fine. We have the main up. 29.21. Did bounce off that cloud really nasty. $3 billion buyback. Watch. To the moon. Let me get some rocket ships in the chat, guys. Put some rocket ships in there. I know what we need down here. We need sharks. Nobody likes fucking shark water, bro. Jasper said, I blew my 25K Lucid account yesterday. Reset it today, man. Made like $20. I might hop in for one more. Yeah. Again, this week I'll be giving away a $135 account. I still think we're Gucci. Or Gucci. Yeah, I'll be putting it in Discord when I do it. I'm probably gonna do it next week. I won't be on during the day. I have some training thing I gotta do, so unfortunately. But I do not see Jasmine now. Cowboy. Yeah, but I'll usually warn you guys in Discord when I'm doing it. And then usually like 4 p.m. we'll do the release. But I gotta see my schedule for next week. If not, I got 2 of them to give away. I got 2. Worth $130 each. The flex. Who loves you? Who gives away $260 worth of accounts? No way, Martin. I'm usually funded, Jaspery, but I had a bad day a couple days ago. I'm trying to get funded again. I'm very close. I lost 10 G's last week, and I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. I lost 10 G's. It wasn't a good day for me. So I gotta get I'm gonna slowly get it funded again. I'm almost there. I mean, I'm up 1,500 each account. I'll get there. All right, 4 minutes to MOC. It's amazing how you can be consistent and inch your way up to then go full monkey tilt and give it back in a day. You know what it is? I got too much money, bro. I got too much money. I got too much money. It is crazy how I make 10 G's in a day and then I go, I just get mad and say fuck it and blow it all away. Some of you guys would love 10 G's. Gangster like that, you heard? You ain't about that life. You ain't about that life. I say that to my son. You about that life, yo? You would like a Lucid account? I don't have the time to do it today. Next week. Maybe I'll do one in the beginning of the week. I don't know. I'll ask you guys in Discord. And then I'll let you guys obviously know. But I got 250 flexes. Use code BULLY. The more you give me, the more I can give back to you. My son listens to rap. He listens to everything. He's kind of like me. Go, I'll take him. Let's go. All right, we got, what, 2 minutes left? 2 minutes is the MOC. If you guys don't know what MOC is, it's when the Fed readjusts its books at 350 every day. They either put money into the market or take money out. It could be 200 million. It could be 2 billion. 2 billion usually moves it pretty good. Come on, get up there. Giddy up. This is what I'm looking for. This 15-minute high here. We're breaking it out. MD, what's up, brother?
Daddy?
Give me a
Daddy?
V.
Is that you? Daddy?
V!
Is that you? Daddy? Is that you? Belly on kick. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Vibrant chick. I dig the name.
You swine.
Give this guy a like and a follow. I'm gonna pin that comment. What a good guy. What a good guy. Let me get a V. Yogurt. Are you in this heavy for the long side? Yo, let me get like $3 billion injection. Let's go. All right, we got 30 seconds left. Let's jump up a cheer. Give me a V. I almost fell. Give me a V. Watch it just fucking dump. It could be the opposite way. The reason why I'm thinking that is like, you know, maybe it's trying to adjust the books more. Some souls to the upside, baby. Soul daddy, come on. Anything? What week is that? Wait. Where is it? Did it come out? I'm waiting. I think it was good. Oh, Nasdaq 100, negative 237. Not that much. That don't mean shit. Let's go. Let me get Maverick a V. Yogurt a V. I just dropped my water and it fucking exploded. Fuck. Fuck me. Damn it. Bro, it just put a huge hole in it and exploded against my green screen. Shit. Did I take some out? I mean, I'm up $600. All right, I'll take out 2. I can't believe I just did that. Fuck. My green screen is covered with water. That was a distraction from the universe. What? Jesprit made like 115. Nice. Push, baby, push. Get you out of the cloud? Oh, man. Where are we? What are we looking at? 5? Oh, yeah. It's trying to break it. Love touch that booty. Green screen is crying. Bro, I can't believe this happened. What the fuck? Well, that was a pretty big rejection there. Manipulation. Just saying, manipulation. On the lower account. Fuck. We got 2 minutes left. Might come down. We were so close.
Just a heads up, Trump is holding a round table on agriculture. Let's see if we can get
Come
a live video
on!
pop around the feed for you shortly.
Every time, bro. Every time this thing doesn't go, like, it's obviously I got out a lot. But every time it doesn't go in my favor, it's Trump. He's talking. What the hell is this?
We have posted another video on the feed for you to watch.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Esprit, welcome to the soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Dude, that 5-minute was fucking crazy. What the fuck? Alright, we got like 40 seconds left for like one more algo that usually pops. And we'll see. I definitely don't want to make this a loss here. So let's do a minus. We can't lose. We can't lose. Right? Can't lose. We're already at fucking $1,800. Let's risk it for the motherfucking biscuit. Wow. Trump's talking though. Trump's talking. Fucking up our whole flow. There, all right, we're out. We knocked this out. We knocked this out, bro. I don't have enough time for the giveaways. I have 2 giveaways to do. I do have 2 giveaways to give away. The hourly looks great though, but that'll be Sunday. Let me delete these so I can see what the fuck's going on. So 15-minute. Really just smashed above this and kind of... I still think it moves up, but not until Trump's done.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
It's gotta be done.
Discipline Daily. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Probably go to at least 83s and then maybe bounce. Yoga, get me out of this fucking cloud. They won't go above the cloud. I mean, this could be the spike up here. Let's see. Got 4 minutes left. But yeah, I'll do the giveaway next week. Maybe I'll even do it Sunday night. I don't know. I gotta see. A lot of you, Sunday's family day, you know? Yeah. Well, I was looking like we might go to like 33,000 and we just pop down. But it's because of the data. It was a really strong market data that came out. I mean, economy, which doesn't make the market go up as stocks. So they're expecting inflation. Inflation's lower. Inflation means more spending on accident. So they already priced it in. Guess what? They had to take that back out. So what? It's worth $120 each. Bro, that water exploding everywhere? When you want to pee? I hope that dries. There's creatine in it. That's why fish are friends, not food. Let's see right here. Might be able to get a long here. Might be able to get a long here. Let's see. It is a little late, but we got 2 spots here. You got over here, but if this rejects here, we Gucci. I gotta pee so bad now. The dead cat bounce. Oh, I gotta pee. Much better though, Nico. Much better. See how it reacts here. If it doesn't, it's gonna go down lower. I mean, today was a good day, right? You just gotta accept the way it's going. Hopefully with code bully, Martin. Making decisions still. Looks like it wants to drop, to be honest with you.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Hello, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
It looks like we're going 29.17s. Trump's talking, so he fucked the whole flow up. We looked so Gucci. So Gucci. We got close, though. Nice, J-Motion. Good job, dude. I know, right? Don't fuck up our flow, bro. Nice, Nico. And there's a $60 like what's it called? Handicap buffer. $60 buffer, so you're good. I got about like 1,600 each one. Lucid for the 50K account flex. Because if you want to pass in 2 days, well, it's a day plus. It's a day plus 50% in activation if you want to do 2 days. Hey, you did good. It's better now. 1502. You did amazing. Yeah, I think it's $60 buffer. Oh, wow. This thing is not holding, guys. Unless it rips back up. But I don't think so.
Seeing the semiconductor index closing 10% lower, the most since March of 2020.
20 seconds left. Doesn't look great. Whatever Trump's saying is no bueno. Look at that 4-hour candle. Holy shit.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real
There he goes. Geronimo. No good. No good. I think Mike just keeps collapsing
Nasdaq
now.
100 registers biggest daily percent decline since April 2025. The S&P 500 has biggest daily percent decline since October 2025.
Now you want to make $58? No. That buffer's... Keep that buffer, bro. Keep that buffer. Because, you know, you might need it. Fucking sweating. Crazy. All right, boys and girls, it's that time of the day. That cat is officially dead, Maverick? Yes. Somebody ran that cat over. Yeah, we're gonna wrap this up. I gotta get ready for work. The one prop firm that I have right now is Lucid. Use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. The more you guys use that code, the more I can give back. I got 2 accounts. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway next week. I'll decide when to do it. I usually announce it in Discord, and then we'll go live, and then we'll give it away on the wheel of death. I got a free Discord in the bio. The only thing that I charge for is if you want my indicators, because you know that's my hard work. You don't gotta use them, but I use them every day. So totally up to you guys. Other than that, if you guys want any questions, bullshit, hit me up in Discord. We'll be there.
Daddy, chill.
Bully Bears is out. Deuces.
Go touch some motherfucking grass, people.